My gentle harp, once more your voice is waking. I hear again your soft and sleeping tone. In tears we parted, sorrow never breaking, and now in tears we meet once more together. No light of joy has touched your sound with gladness, like harps that spoke through bondage dark and still. You hang like them in silence and in sadness, and rest forgotten on the weeping willows. And yet there came a fleeting hour of glory, when peace and triumph seemed to bless the land, and many hearts were lifted by that story, with hopes that trembled, bright but could not stand. But even then, while peace her song was singing, and cast her gentle promise o'er the sea, though hope and joy to other hearts were bringing, she only brought a deeper grief to thee. So who would ask my drooping harp for pleasure from chords that carry sorrow deep and long? The lark's bright song would mock such grief at morning, as swan song fades where life is nearly gone. And how can I, who love you and who bless you, call forth a strain of freedom proud and high, when even wreaths with which in love I dress you are mixed with chains, half flowers and half despair? But if you still can breathe one note of gladness, then sing for me, though sorrow lingers near, and show the world amid its weight of sadness how sweet your voice can fall upon the ear. How even now, though shadow lies around you, you answer still when gentle hearts are moved, like Memnon's broken image softly sounding amid the waste, yet tuneful even there.